Falava, welcome to our YouTube channel. Do it. Say your intro in Samoa.
Oh, in Samoa. Okay. Here we go. Talo Falava, o lo ingoa o Kalani le tia Faagata, o te sao mai Amerika ma tuana'i, o a'o le tina, a Oliva ma keneti, o a'o le to'olua, a Asuelu, e sao mai utulai lai pale alili.
That was nice.
Thank you.
So the vlog for today, the vlog for today is you want to do it again or just go?
We're going to be showing you pictures from our trips to Samoa that you guys have never seen and giving you some backstory and some tea.
Yeah. So let's go to the first picture.
Do you remember what this is from?
No.
Okay, so me and Asuelu broke up. I had already booked a ticket to go see him and they wouldn't give me my money back. They would only let me take a trip at a different time. So I booked a trip with my sister and I was just gonna go do a sister trip there. We booked it at Asuelu's hotel he was working at. So we ended up getting back together on that trip.
The day that she arrived at the hotel, I was staying with the drink, the welcome drinks, and give it to them, and she was gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
Gorgeous.
Yeah. So
thank you, baby.
look at him.
You love it? You love this story? So this picture is us on a catamaran. That's how you say it, right?
Yeah.
A catamaran with my sister. My sister is the one taking this picture.
So every time I say tag, so they should move under the big
Oh yeah, and switch sides. And that's when you pinched my butt cheek.
yeah, it was so fun that day.
Pinched my butt cheek.
And her butt cheek was really perfect.
Oh, thank you. So this is one of the only pictures we have left of us when we first met.
Paddled in the kayak because I told her just relax, let me paddle. So I was tired and I want to lay down, and I feel her legs and it was smooth. Oh my goodness, holy moly.
And I don't know, you said that you were doing this because it was a goal post, right?
Yeah,
Super romantic.
it's my goal. She's my goal.
Wow. You're slick with the lines.
She didn't know that. She's my goal. I'm aiming it. But it's a sign of the love.
Well done, sir. We went on this little boat. There was a camera underneath so you could see the fish and different things.
And you remember the thing that when it was turned off because I think the battery.
Yes. He took us like in the middle of the ocean, surrounded by rocks, and then the motor just shuts off because Asuelu was trying to like go somewhere he shouldn't have. And so I start freaking out and I was saying like 1,000 prayers in my head, like, God, I'm gonna die if you don't get this thing to start because I will drown. I'm afraid of the water.
I'm sorry, boss Nathan, if I broke.
Did you really break it?
No, it's not. I think the thing is older. It's not work when you go in front, but it's work when you go backwards. So we come backwards.
But Tamiasina is where we met. So that place is special to us.
It's very special. The place where I created my firstborn baby.
It's disgusting.
I
But
mean
true.
the place.
This is one of the prettiest resorts in Samoa. It's like more remote.
I remember when we go kayak.
I was gonna show you that.
Oh.
So this is us walking around the island. Oh, see, okay, so this is like the part where you can go in to go kayaking. And me and Asuelu are very competitive. We bet each other like who would win. And of course I thought I would win. And I did win for most of it, but I kayaked way too hard. I bashed into a rock and I flipped out of the kayak and screamed. And then I was standing on the coral and cut my feet open. And then my phone was out. And luckily it was in like this floaty thing. So me and Asuelu were standing there like, Okay, look for it, look for it.
So she was trying to race with me and she can't beat the island guy.
I was beating you.
So her kayak was flipped over and the phone was go on the sea. But if you see on the reef, there's a big wave that's come, so it's really scared the reef. So I was jumped down. I was offered my whole life to go find her phone. But it was lucky because
I found my phone. You pointed at it and I grabbed it.
No, I found it. It's right there. So it was give a big hand for myself to find her phone.
If I wouldn't have cut in front of you, I wouldn't have fallen into the water. But I beat you, and then even the people that were watching were like, "Oh, you did a good job that I had beat you."
There's no proof. There's no evidence.
And me and you being there is
There's
proof.
no evidence.
Okay.
There's no evidence. There's no camera. There's no video camera to see. So there's no. If we go to the court, the island guy will win because that's my island.
No.
So this picture is a canopy walkway in the big island of Samoa. It's really nice and also scary. You can walk between the trees, between the birds. You can hear them crying. And there's a tree house too, so you can.
Okay.
So we went to the top of the canopy walkway. You can see the whole mountains. It was
Yeah, you
beautiful.
can see everything from up there. What
It was
else? What else happened up there, Asuelu?
It was beautiful view up there. You're not supposed to.
But we had driven around the entire island and just went from like main tourism spot to tourism spot. We walked through the jungle to this cave in the middle of nowhere in the dark.
I didn't want to take her in dangerous place. I just want to explore her in some of the beautiful story place in Samoa.
And then I remember after we left this place, we were driving down this random road in the back. This guy walks over to our car and Asuelu rolls down my window, and then the guy walks over and he's like, "You guys want to see the bloody river?" And I'm like, "I'm sorry, what?" We rolled up the windows and like, "No, thank you. Have a great day."
We stopped at Sinalei Resort. It was really beautiful, and I think that's my first time.
We just got coconuts. It was really good. Because I don't like coconuts in America, but if you get coconuts in Samoa, they are prime time.
It's natural. It's like comes straight from the tree and you can drink on your body. I hope that's cured the coronavirus. Look at my beautiful sexy wife. Oh my goodness, standing
Thank you.
there. Oh my god.
Standing there, I'm sitting there. My head looks like
We have
4 times bigger than yours.
kids, beautiful kids at the beach.
Look at your neck.
What's happened? Oh, someone bite my neck right there. So what's happened, baby? I have no idea what's happened. I didn't know my wife. My wife sometimes is a vampire.
This was the video my sister took on her GoPro. We still were like being secretive about being back together. You bit my butt cheek as I was coming up. So that's why when I turn around and look, you bit my butt. So.
Oh my gosh. I think this is the only thing that my wife remembers is me by his butt.
All of your butt touching.
I don't remember any pinching your butt.
This is, I can never say it. Papa, bye tie. Papa, bye tie. Did I say it right? Papa, bye tie falls on the way, waterfalls on the way to Asuelu's house. And I remember I sent this picture to my mom and she showed it to my dad and he was like, "Is she on drugs?" I don't know why he thought that I looked like I was on drugs, but I look like I'm on drugs according to my dad. That was a fun day. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. God bless and have a wonderful day. Molly, Oli, off. Bye bye. Bye everything.